Hey, how's it going? Thought I'd do a little update on the Range Rover, which has suddenly decided that its tailgate was going to stop working. So if I press once, lovely, that works a treat. Press twice, nothing. So yeah, not really sure what to do. I think we'll have a little look at this first, see if I can just... not ideal. Actually, maybe try the key in there and just see if that's... see if that's done it. I don't know if you can see, but basically, that... is it bear claw? That bear claw wasn't quite all the way over, so... ah, so hopeful. So it was like that. Using the key, just get that. Oh, hang on, no. Have I just... I think what I've done there is just lock it. There we go. So that's now unlocked. Let's see if it's not gone all the way over. Here's that the problem, so giving that a little bit of extra love. Oh, that was it! You see, this video was originally going to be me removing this back panel and trying to check all of this, taking this apart so I could access it, but what it's actually turned into is me realising that this lock hadn't popped all the way over that way. It had sat like that, and then that stops that working. No, it doesn't! Oh god, what's going on here? I sound like a fool. Right. So if I just go a little bit on there, so that, alright, so if I flick this using the trusty key as the tool, because proper budget. Get that all the way locked over to that position. That releases the tailgate. So what have we learned here? I'm going to come in and grease that. I'd like to think that was going to be a way more complex and interesting video, but it's Land Rover. It's either an electrical fault or it just needed more grease. So yeah, I'm going to come back, grease the hell out of that. Should be away. Cool. Cheers. Right then, we're now back with some of this. No affiliation. The person that's wondering what I'm doing with the dog. Ooh, I've dropped my screwdriver. This is not going well. Slick, professional cinematography, and there is Lucy the dog. A little bit of dog video for you. There she is, chasing a duck, which we got from Pets at Home, and she destroyed within minutes. It was quite disappointing, really. There she is. Lucy! Lucy! Completely ignorant. But very fluffy. Anyway, so, plan is get some of this high performance lubricant with PTFE, not regular performance. This is in fact high performance lubricant, and just, wow, it's really difficult with the sun. Just basically blather the lock, give it loads, and then massage the latch a bit. Weirdly, when I first got this car, it had similar on the bonnet catch. That was a pain, and I had to give that a load of love before the bonnet would start closing and opening properly. So there we go. Where did I put the lid? Lid's up there. So let's just give that a couple of goes, see if that works it. I think from now on the car will need to travel with its keys and possibly an old screwdriver. So that's fine. As you can see, this just needs a bit of faff. That's the tailgate locked. That's tailgate unlocked, and then what I do is maybe I could have a look at that, but that doesn't seem to need any work at all on that clip. So I think it's probably just a case of working this as much as possible. I'm trying to get some of that grease. Oh, I've locked it again. In there. So anyway, basically I'll spend a few minutes doing that and hopefully we'll be good. And if I use this in future videos and you see me having to use this to open the boot, you know it didn't work. But anyway, if you're having some lower tailgate not opening issues, I would say first place to look is there if your upper tailgate is opening fine. Other things I've read is that the switch could be playing up, but I'd have thought that would have affected both operations. And then the other bit is if there's something wrong with the linkages, to remove this carpet in here and start having a look at the linkages. But yeah, for me it was look at this and just tease it to go all the way open, and then the lower tailgate started working. So anyway, cheers, thanks for watching, catch you in the next one. Right, so little update. After spending ages on that tailgate, it became apparent that it was in fact this catch that was just over that way, tiny fraction too much. It could have only been that way, like half a mil, something like that. It was ridiculous. If I lifted the boot lid or the upper tailgate with a bit of a tweak on it towards the left of the car, the whole tailgate worked perfectly. So I mean, maybe it's just years of age and wear, and maybe the greasing will help and stuff, but I'm also just going to pop a Torx bit on there, crack it and move it a mil to one side. So basically, there you go, little Torx bit in there is how I can move that catch. I won't do that on video because it's really difficult while holding the camera. It is a, where is it? T30 socket. Catch you in a couple. So there we go, I just loosened those two screws off and tapped, just took the torque off them, give that a light tap, just a quick little tap, and it moved a mil-ish to the left of the car. Then I tightened it all back down. So let's see if that has worked. Drum roll, please. Right, tailgate still closes. Opens. Ah! I didn't do it enough. Well, that's going to be an iterative process. Let's try that again. I'll get back to you in a minute. Right then, I did that a couple more times, adjusting that clip. And here's the acid test. or litmus test, I suppose. It's open. And there we go. Nice little job done. And just moving this clamp just a touch to the left of the vehicle has effectively made this open up just a touch more. All the contacts work, and it means I now have a working tailgate again. So, which was quite a roller coaster of a job, but still fairly simple. And there we go, working tailgate, P38. Yeah, so what have we learned? If your upper one opens, your switch is working. I would take a look at this, play with it, adjust it, force it with a screwdriver so you can replicate how a normal tailgate would work. It all looked like that was working fine. So I greased it, and then that wasn't doing the thing. That smooth as. Real pleased with that. It's amazing what a bit of a lubricant can do. Anyway, so yeah, tweak it with a screwdriver, see if it works. Greased it up, still wouldn't work for me, so then we started looking at this catch here, adjusted that slightly, everything came good, and we started working. So anyway, drawn out explanation of a very simple job, but anyway, there we go. Cheers, catch you in the next one. And a robin's just flying by, which you won't have seen, but a robin just flew by. Yeah, cheers, catch you later.
So this is additional bonus dog video. Lucy, let go. Let go. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Poor.